Hi everyone, here we are in the back of my garden making this video about Wave 2 metal detector. Very simple machine, easy to use, with great depth. To switch on the machine, there's a volume button in here. So the machine is on now. Sensitivity button, that should be around 5. So, so you can hear the noise of the detector. This way we maximize the depth. Discrimination button. The higher you go, the more iron you reject. The lower you go, the more iron you accept. I'll switch off now. There's a hole in here I dug earlier in my garden. The hole is about, I would say, 10-inch deep. We're gonna check out the hole with the current Pro pointer. Nothing there. Here we are now with the detector switch on. I'm gonna put discrimination on about 5. See, all these pennies in here, they all came from the garden. This is the noise we're looking for. Constant noise. Nice and solid. Place one of them in the hole. No problem whatsoever to detect the coin. Take the coin out. Check the hole again. Nothing. Let's place 2 coins. I'm gonna increase the volume so you can hear better. Nice and solid. Constant noise. Just leave 1 coin again. Nice and solid. That's on 10-inch. Sweep over again. I hope this video did clear up a little bit about the way the detector works. And if you ever get one, I promise you, you have loads of fun. Thanks for watching.